Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the Gmail background. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. In the top right corner, click on the settings icon shown as a gear symbol. From here, go to Theme and click on View All. You will see a list of background themes including solid colors, images, and Google-provided photos. Select the background theme you prefer by clicking on it. If the theme includes brightness options, adjust them as needed for better readability. For example, I'll select this photo and click on Save. Gmail will immediately update the background across your inbox and email views. You can return to the theme settings at any time to change or reset the background. And that's it. So we just learned how to change the Gmail background by applying a new theme. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.